Now, in the second part of the article, we will discuss about the article the only, that is the definite article. And here we will discuss that how the is used with the same word when it is used in a particular meaning, and we will not use the if it is used in a general sense. For example, uncountable and plural countable nouns. We have discussed about the countable and the uncountable nouns. So uncountable and plural countable nouns take no article, means neither a and nor the when used in a general meaning. I'm not talking about the particular, I'm talking about the general only. When these terms are used in general only, the uncountable nouns and the plural countable nouns, then we will not use any of the article. However, they take the article, the, when used in a particular meaning. When we are using them in a particular sense, then they will take the article the. Since we have already discussed that a and an will not be used with the uncountable nouns. And whenever we are talking about the plural, if it is a plural, we cannot use a and an, because a and an signifies number one. It signifies singular. So here in both the cases, in the uncountable nouns and the plural countable nouns, the only possibility of the use of the article is with the article the only, and not a and an. Let's take the example. Sugar is bad for your teeth. So here we are talking about the sugar in general. It can be any kind of sugar. It can be white sugar. It can be a brown sugar. It can be the sugar which is at your place. It can be the sugar which is at my place. Any sugar. We are talking about the sugar in general. That is why we are not using any article here. And we have already discussed that sugar is an uncountable noun. Now, another example. Can you pass me the sugar? Now here the article the is used before the sugar, which is an uncountable noun, because we know about which sugar the person is talking. You people must be sitting on a dining table. There is a bottle of sugar that is kept, which is away from someone, and you are near to that person, so the other person is asking you to pass that sugar. So here you understand, even if I will not explain this much, even if I'm not saying this much, you know that the sugar must be near to the person somewhere. We are referring to a particular place where the sugar is kept. So here we have used the. Another example. Children like sweets. So here we are talking about the children in general, that the children like sweets. Now another sentence. Where are the children? Here we have used the because we know about that some about particular children the person is asking about. Wherever we are talking about the children like sweets, it can be any person. Sorry, it can be any group of children. We are talking about the children here. somewhere else, in some other state, in some other country. But where are the children? This means the person must be asking about some particular group of children. So here you see this is plural. Here it is uncountable noun. Here it is plural countable noun. And in both the cases, I showed you how to use article the when these are used in a particular sense. Another: college, school, university, church, prison, hospital. For all these, whenever they are, whenever we are talking about them in general, we will not use the, but whenever we are talking about the any of them in particular, we will use the. For example, if we are talking about the school or the university in general, then we will not use the. Are you going to the school? So if I'm asking you, are you going to the school, that means obviously I'm asking about the school in which you are studying. So we will use the. Are you going to the school? If I'm asking you, that obviously means, even if I'm not taking the name of the school, that definitely means that I'm talking about the St. Joseph school, because you are studying in the St. Joseph. Why would you go to some other school? Okay. So in this way, we will use the article the. But wherever we are talking, suppose there is a order from the government that school will remain closed for such and such date. So the government is not passing the order for any particular school, but the government is passing the order for all the schools. So there it is used in general sense. That's why we will not use the article. Wherever we are talking about any particular school, even if we are not taking the name of the school, then we will use the. Now the next thing, whenever we do not normally use any article before the names of the meal. What are the names of the meal? The dinner, breakfast, lunch. We will not talk about these in general. Sorry, we will not use any article for these names of the meals in general. But whenever an adjective is used before any of the meal, then we will use the. For example, I had a quick breakfast. So quick is the adjective that is used. I had a quick breakfast. So this quick is used before the breakfast. That's why we use the article a. Otherwise, we will not use. In the same manner, we will not use the article with the names of the language. Hindi, English, French, Urdu, Sanskrit, whatever it is, we will not use the article with the name of any of the language. So, and there are some other pronouns, proper nouns that do not use the article. Most of the proper noun use the article, but whenever we are talking about any person by the name, Ria is a good singer. So, Ria is the proper noun. We know that it is a name, it is a proper noun, but we will not use any article with this proper noun. So that's why I'm asking you that you will get familiar with these things when you will use more and more in your sentences. So a number of sentences are given there in your book. Go through them, read them, try to understand the difference between the sentences where the article is used and where the article is not used, and do the exercises. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me.